Hey, Speed Scouts! Buckle up as we dive into the 2025 Scania 770S V8 diesel, a truck that's rewriting the rules of long-haul dominance. With 770 horsepower, 3,700 Nm torque, and tech that turns highways into living rooms, this isn't just a truck. It's a revolution on wheels. Let's uncover why drivers are calling it the ultimate over-the-road beast. At the heart of this titan lies Scania's 16.4-liter V8 diesel engine, a marvel delivering 8% better fuel efficiency than previous models. But raw power isn't the story. It's controlled power. The upgraded OptiCruise transmission shifts gears 15% faster, while predictive shift mapping adjusts to load weight and terrain in real time. Australian logger Jock McGregor clocked 34.48 litres per 100 kilometres, 2.9 kilometres per litre, hauling 44-ton timber loads. A 30% fuel saving versus older trucks. For European operators, real-world data shows 28.32 litres per 100 kilometres averages. Proving brute force doesn't mean burning cash. Scania's 4th-gen adaptive cruise control uses radar and AI to predict traffic 500 meters ahead. Combine that with 360-degree cameras and emergency braking, and accident rates drop by 19% in fleet trials. The real game changer? Remote diagnostics. Onboard systems flag maintenance needs before breakdowns. One German operator reported 98% uptime thanks to predictive alerts. As tech reviewer CarMax puts it, this isn't a truck, it's a 40-ton guardian angel. Don't let the V8 roar fool you. This engine guzzles 6% less fuel and runs on HVO biodiesel. Scania's redesigned exhaust cuts NOx emissions by 22%, while the electric power steering saves 1.2 liters per 100 kilometers. Swedish tests show 3.2-ton CO2 reductions annually versus 2020 models. As Jock the logger quips, "I'm saving trees while hauling them." So, Speed Scouts, would you trade your rig for this diesel titan? Smash! Like if you're impressed, subscribe to stay ahead of the truck tech curve, and comment your dream feature. Want more? Tap next for our 2025 Volvo FH16 deep dive. This is Speed Scout, where horsepower meets innovation. Keep chasing the horizon.